Alright, this is AirSoft Egg. We're back with the $50 Fox AirSoft mystery box. So let's just jump right into this. Maybe you've noticed, but we do these a lot on our channel. So yeah, because they're just great videos and seem to get a lot of viewers. Boy, oh boy, am I excited. Alright, we have our packing slip. Can they see inside of it?
You just have to pull it out and show them.
150. No, I don't want to see the cameras. I can pull it out inside one.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so we have a $15 1-point sling, I believe. Yeah, 1-point sling. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Just pull that out. 1-point sling. Not bad.
Very nice.
We have another $15 laser, it appears. It would appear. We have an M4 speed loader. Oh, anyways, it's $20. Very nice. We have a headband patch with some bullets. I guess it comes with small bullets. Guessing you're familiar. Good 240 FPS. This is, I guess, 400 bullets. 12 gram. Not going to use those. Use 12 gram. And I guess that's all we have.